You wouldn't wear dirty socks for a week, so why are we doing it with our liners? Why do we clean our liners? Well, direct skin contact equals a bacteria factory. Dirty liners can cause skin irritation, skin breakdown, and infection. Sweat, dry skin, that stuff all builds up really fast. How often should you clean them? Well, if you're anything like me, you're very active, you sweat a lot, you better be cleaning it every day. Even if you don't wear it every day, if it's touched your skin, clean it. And make sure you clean your residual limb too, man. It's a two-way street. While most manufacturers recommend you want to wash them with mild, fragrance-free antibacterial soap. You want to pat them dry with a towel. And then you want to put them on either a liner stand to air dry the rest of the way overnight, or some type of like mesh laundry room type stand that you can dry clothes on. Never, ever, ever use bleach or throw them in the dryer. What's some tips and hacks I picked up along the way? Well, you should always be getting 2 liners, whether that's every 6 months or every year, depends on your insurance. You would wear one all day, you have the other one clean on your liner stand, and then at night you're cleaning this one, patting it dry, putting it on your liner stand, and the next day wearing your one that you had drying the day previously. You just keep a rotation like that, and that helps your liners to last a little bit longer before they get cracked and nasty. And it also keeps your limb a lot more healthy. When traveling, I always bring a little mini bottle of antibacterial soap and a towel. Sometimes, like for instance, if you're at Disney or something like that, I'll put it in my book bag. That way I could probably dry myself off, clean it off a couple times a day. When to replace your liners? Well, you could either tell by it's just cracked, dry, and ripping apart. As soon as you try to reach for it, you get a handful of the liner and it comes out of your socket. And then also any type of odors or stains that won't go away that you can't get rid of, it's time to switch that one out. If you have a different way of cleaning your liners, put them in the comments. I always like to hear everybody's point of view.